Let's bust the myth. Healthy food doesn't have to be bland, boring, or time-consuming. You're tired after work, but reaching for takeout only leads to disappointment. Tonight, we break the cycle with meals that are quick, delicious, and good for you. This isn't about deprivation. It's about smart, flavor-packed cooking with fresh ingredients. I'm giving you my playbook for 5 Western-style dinners that will transform your weeknights. Each recipe is designed for maximum flavor and minimum fuss, perfect for weight loss. So, grab your apron and let's make dinner the best part of your day. Let's get cooking. First up, lemon herb grilled salmon with asparagus. Elegant, fast, and foolproof. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or an impressive meal for guests. The combination of fresh herbs and zesty lemon brings out the natural flavors of the salmon, making it a delightful and nutritious option. Salmon is loaded with protein and omega-3s, and it's easy to cook. These nutrients are essential for heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. Plus, salmon is incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways to suit your taste. Pat your salmon fillet dry, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, fresh dill, parsley, and lemon zest. These herbs not only add flavor but also provide additional health benefits. Dill is known for its antioxidant properties, while parsley is rich in vitamins A, C, and K. Sear skin side down in a hot pan. Don't touch it. Let it crisp for 4-5 minutes. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin, which adds a delightful texture to the dish. Flip once, cook another minute or 2, then finish with a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice not only enhances the flavor, but also helps to keep the salmon moist and tender. For the asparagus, snap off the ends, toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and grill or pan roast until just charred. Asparagus is a great side dish because it's quick to prepare and packed with vitamins and minerals. Plate the crispy salmon with the vibrant asparagus. The colors and textures of this dish make it visually appealing, and the flavors complement each other perfectly. In under 15 minutes, you've got a restaurant-worthy meal. Crisp skin, flaky fish, bright herbs, and lemon. This dish proves that you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen to create something special. This isn't diet food. It's real food that fuels you and tastes incredible. Eating healthy doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. This meal is a perfect example of how nutritious food can be both delicious and fulfilling. Remember, healthy eating can be simple, fast, and absolutely delicious. With just a few fresh ingredients and minimal effort, you can create meals that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Next time you're tired, think of this dish. Quick, satisfying, and good for you. It's the perfect solution for those busy nights when you want something nutritious but don't have much time to cook. This is your new weeknight standard. No more excuses. Quick, delicious, and nourishing. Beautiful. Make this lemon herb grilled salmon a regular part of your meal rotation and enjoy the benefits of healthy, home-cooked food. Let's move on to the next recipe. Ready? Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy meal ideas. Next, let's dive into the turkey and veggie sheet pan bake, your answer to minimal effort and maximum reward. This recipe is all about making your life easier without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. Whether you're cooking for a busy family, meal prepping for the week, or just want a fuss-free dinner, this dish is a true lifesaver. Start by grabbing some lean ground turkey. Add a generous sprinkle of smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. These spices bring warmth and depth, transforming simple turkey into something truly crave-worthy. Mix everything together until the turkey is evenly coated and fragrant. Next, chop up a medley of vegetables. Broccoli, bell peppers, and red onion are a great combo, but don't be afraid to use whatever veggies you have on hand. Zucchini, carrots, or even sweet potatoes work beautifully. The more color, the better. Think of it as eating the rainbow. Spread your chopped veggies out on a large sheet pan, making sure they're in a single layer for even roasting. Drizzle everything with a good olive oil, season with a pinch more salt and pepper, and then dot the turkey mixture in small pieces all over the pan. This way, every bite gets a little bit of everything. Slide the pan into a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius and let it roast for 20 to 25 minutes. As it cooks, the turkey browns and the veggies caramelize, filling your kitchen with mouth-watering aromas. The magic happens as the turkey juices baste the veggies, infusing them with savory flavor and keeping everything moist. You get perfectly roasted vegetables and juicy, flavorful turkey, all with zero fuss and barely any cleanup. Serve it straight from the pan for a rustic family-style meal, or take it up a notch with a quick yogurt lemon herb sauce. Just stir together some plain yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, and your favorite chopped herbs for a creamy, tangy finish that pairs perfectly with the roasted flavors. The best part? Cleanup is a breeze. With just one pan to wash, you'll spend less time at the sink and more time enjoying your meal or relaxing with your family. This meal is packed with lean protein, a rainbow of nutrient-rich veggies, and bold flavors. It's balanced, satisfying, and comes together with barely any work. It's the ultimate weeknight dinner, smart, simple, and delicious. Whether you're feeding a crowd or just yourself, this recipe fits right into your routine. No more standing over the stove, stirring and watching. Just pop it in the oven, set a timer, and let the heat do all the work while you unwind. In under 30 minutes, you'll have a healthy, hearty meal that tastes like you spent hours in the kitchen. Add this turkey and veggie sheet pan bake to your weekly meal plan. It's a reliable go-to for busy nights, and you can switch up the veggies or spices to keep things interesting. Sheet pan dinners are a total game changer. They let you cook smarter, not harder, and bring everyone together around the table. Try it tonight and see how easy dinner can be. Next up, comfort food reinvented. Let's keep going and discover more ways to make weeknight cooking a breeze. Craving creamy pasta? Try zucchini noodle shrimp Alfredo. Comfort food, minus the carb crash. Spiralize zucchini into noodles, salt them, and let them sit to draw out water. Sear seasoned shrimp in a hot pan, just a minute per side, then set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic in a little butter, then add low-fat cream cheese and a splash of milk. Stir in real Parmesan for a rich, creamy sauce. Squeeze and dry your zoodles, then toss them in the sauce with the shrimp. Heat gently. Don't overcook the zoodles. They should stay al dente. The result? A bowl of creamy, garlicky, cheesy pasta loaded with juicy shrimp. All the comfort, none of the guilt. This dish proves you can have your favorites and still eat healthy. Smart swaps, big flavor, perfect for weight loss and totally satisfying. Make this once and you'll never miss regular Alfredo again. Light, fresh, and packed with protein and veggies. Dinner redefined. Ready for a power bowl? After a long, demanding day, there's nothing quite like coming home to a meal that's both nourishing and satisfying. The chicken and quinoa power bowl is your answer. A balanced, hearty, and energizing dinner that's as delicious as it is good for you. It's the kind of meal that refuels your body and lifts your spirits, making healthy eating feel effortless and rewarding. Start by cooking quinoa, a protein-packed ancient grain, in water or for even more depth, in a flavorful broth. Let it simmer gently until each grain is tender and fluffy. Quinoa is not only gluten-free, but it's also rich in fiber and essential amino acids, making it a perfect base for your bowl. While the quinoa cooks, marinate chicken breast pieces in a vibrant blend of olive oil, fresh lemon juice, smoked paprika, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. This quick marinade infuses the chicken with bold, zesty flavors and keeps it juicy and tender. Sear the marinated chicken in a hot skillet until it's golden on the outside and perfectly juicy inside. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait for dinner. For extra texture and nutrition, toast sliced almonds until fragrant and golden. Meanwhile, slice creamy avocado, halve sweet cherry tomatoes, chop crisp cucumber, and prep a handful of fresh greens like spinach or arugula. These vibrant veggies add color, crunch, and a boost of vitamins. Now, it's time to assemble. Start with a generous scoop of fluffy quinoa as your base. Arrange the juicy chicken, creamy avocado, bright tomatoes, crisp cucumber, fresh greens, and toasted almonds artfully on top. Each ingredient brings its own unique flavor and texture, creating a bowl that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Finish with a drizzle of quick lemon tahini dressing. Just whisk together tahini, fresh lemon juice, a splash of water, minced garlic, and a pinch of salt. This creamy, tangy sauce ties everything together and adds a burst of flavor. Every bite is a satisfying mix of lean protein, healthy fats, fiber, and fresh veggies. It's a meal that keeps you full, fuels your body, and tastes incredible. This bowl is a complete meal, nutrient-dense, filling, and endlessly customizable. It's perfect for solo dinners, family meals, or sharing with friends. Want to switch things up? Swap in roasted chickpeas for a plant-based protein, or add sweet potato cubes for extra comfort and natural sweetness. The possibilities are endless. Think of this as your template for endless healthy meals. Mix and match your favorite proteins, grains, and veggies to keep things fresh and exciting all week long. Whether you need a quick post-workout dinner or a wholesome meal on a busy night, this bowl has you covered. It's fast to make, easy to prep ahead, and always satisfying. Eat well, feel strong, and stay on track with your goals. This is food that fuels your best self every single day. Make a few bowls ahead of time and you'll have healthy, delicious dinners ready to go all week. It's meal prep made simple, and it works for any schedule. The Chicken and Quinoa Power Bowl is a true meal prep superstar. Stack your containers in the fridge and you're set for days of healthy eating. Ready to power up your week with the ultimate make-ahead dinner? Let's get started and make healthy eating the easiest part of your day. Meet your new meal prep hero, the veggie-packed baked frittata. Whisk a dozen eggs with a splash of milk, salt, pepper, herbs, and cheese. Sauté mushrooms, onions, and spinach until soft and flavorful. Spread veggies in a greased oven-safe skillet or baking dish. Pour the egg mixture over the veggies and give it a gentle shake. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for 20-25 minutes until set and golden. Let it rest before slicing for clean wedges. Serve warm for dinner or cold for lunch. Delicious either way. Packed with protein, low in carbs, and endlessly adaptable. Use up any veggies or cheese you have on hand. Add cooked sausage or bacon if you want. It's the ultimate stress-free, nutritious meal. Make it on Sunday and you've got healthy meals for days. Family-friendly, budget-friendly, and always tasty. Frittata, your secret weapon for busy weeks. Simple, practical, and stunning. Let's wrap up. There you have it. 5 simple, delicious meals that make healthy eating a joy. No more excuses, just real food, real results. Take these recipes, make them your own, and have fun in the kitchen. Every meal you cook is an investment in your health. Build habits that last, one tasty dinner at a time. Healthy eating can be vibrant, flavorful, and exciting. Like, subscribe, and share for more easy, delicious weight loss meals. Your journey starts now. Let's cook.